Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and modification report for Jungle Jim of Virginia on this Cobra 29 LTD Classic. Mr. Jungle Jim, we got you ready to go. There is your channel kit. This is a Lescomm kit. I really like the Lescomm kits, by the way. Turn out really nicely and no issues whatsoever. You flip it towards you, it's your high channels. In the middle, of course, is your standard 40, and the low side is flipped back toward the back. Alright, now this already had the dollar watt in it. It was right here on the Delta tune. We just went through and reinstalled the limiters, lined the radio, did our tune on it, and definitely came with some cleaner power. Let's get right to it. Now our power all the way down, 5-watt slug. It'll key just about a 1/4 watt. And as you can see, we'll go over to this one, it'll key roughly about 7 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low. I'm seeing 10 bird out of it. Peak side. Low. About 37 peak. Alright, Jungle Jim, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy this radio. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. And one more thing I forgot, we did put the VFO windup in it for you, bud. Have a good one. Truck waving. Bump, bump.